going on, guys? Patrick here with Window Tinting Business, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to pull the sweeps on the doors of this 2023 Hyundai Palisade. Pretty straightforward on the front doors, a little bit of trickster on the back doors. I'm going to show you exactly how we do it. First, on the start the front, go ahead and roll it down, and you're going to need some sort of pry tool, maybe a bone tool or something like that. You're going to go ahead and on the back corner here, you're going to lift up, and it's kind of like hooked on. You're going to lift up and pull back a little bit, and what you can do is you can get your bone tool here, and there is two clips, two green ones. You can just pull back right here, and you can pull back another one right there. So it's just one, and you're not pulling all the way here because there is a screw holding this in. So we just need the back end. Once you get the back end, you're just going to pull back here on the corner, and you're just going to lift right up. Now you're going to lift this up, and after you lift this up, you're just going to slide it back towards you. So lift it up, slide it back towards you, boom. That's really it. Then the sweep is out, and then you can just do the same thing. You can wet the sweep, and you can put it right back in, front end first, and then slide it in and reverse everything. Fronts are pretty straightforward. Backs do have a cover on the back door. Roll the window down. I have already removed the driver's side, so I'm going to show you what this looks like. There's going to be 4 plastic pins right here, and then there is a metal pin. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to disconnect all 4 pins and pull back evenly on this metal pin. This metal pin is going to hold on a little bit more than the orange ones. This is not very thick, so you have to do this with a little bit of precision. Again, using a bone tool and prying in there, and then just popping it right where the clip is at, so that way you're popping the clip and you're not breaking the trim. You do have to remove the trim to be able to pull this up. So we're going to go ahead and start here. Start at the very top, get a bone tool in there, and look when you're going in here, look and you can see them, and get your bone tool right in there, and then just pop it. There's 2. What I do is I'll go in, and then I'll twist my tool, so that way it gives a little leverage. In, twist, and pop. And you can see them all. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. Now we got all 4, but if I pull this out and I don't get enough the proper straight out leverage, you'll crack it right here. I guarantee. I've never done it, but I can almost guarantee you. So I'm going to get my fingers here right behind where the metal is, and you can start seeing it, and you're just going to pull straight out just like that, and that way this comes out real easy as long as you take care, be careful. From here, it's the same thing. These door panels are hooked onto the sweep, so we're going to go ahead and pull up and out just on the back corner. And again, get your bone tool. You're going to come down the side, going to pop that first one, boom. And then there is 2 pieces to this panel. I don't want to pull here and potentially split this part, so I'm going to come in right below that split. I'm going to pop it again, so then now I'm pulling this whole door panel instead of just hinging it right here and potentially cracking this door panel right here. Once we have that, it's the same thing as before. Pull the corner back out, lift straight up, and then from here, you're gonna slide out just like that. When you're putting this all back together, you can throw a little slip solution right in here, pull it right into the gully, slide it back in, slide in, put everything back together. So you're just gonna reverse it right afterwards. I know bottom loading isn't for everyone. These particular ones, the Hyundais, for like 22 and forward, for some reason the new Elantras, the new Sonatas as well, they have really deep sides, and it makes it really hard. You'll get those pinch points, so if you bottom load, you could avoid those pinch points. It's a lot cleaner of an installation. It's a little bit of work, but I think it makes it a little bit better. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.